If you've ever routed curves, templates, or freehand profiles on your router table, you know the problems. Non-existent dust collection and fingers scary close to the spinning cutter. Traditional router fences work great for straight cuts, but the moment you move into curved or open routing operations, dust collection and operator safety practically disappear. The Infinity Tools Nautilus Router Table Dust Collection Guard is a dual-purpose tool designed to keep your lungs and hands safe at the router table. It's an entirely new approach to router table safety, and it was inspired by the Nautilus shell, one of nature's most enduring designs. Position it over your router bit, plug in your shop vac hose, capture dust exactly where it's created while keeping your hands safe from the spinning cutter. When we set out to design the best router table dust collection guard possible, we looked to nature for inspiration and found the Nautilus. This incredible spiral shell design has existed for over 500 million years. Its chambered internal structure creates remarkable strength and efficiency while maintaining a lightweight form. Using advanced CAD software and CNC machining, we adapted this mathematical spiral geometry into a highly efficient dust collection system, optimized specifically for woodworking. The result is a uniquely strong, durable, and incredibly effective dust collection guard unlike anything else on the market. The Nautilus Guard is designed specifically for router table operations, where a traditional fence simply can't be used. It mounts directly to any router table plate or lift that accepts a standard 1/4-20 starting pin. Once connected to your shop vacuum or dust extractor, the oversized vacuum port pulls dust and chips directly upward, capturing debris before it spreads across your shop. The integrated clear plexiglass guard maintains excellent visibility of both the bit and the workpiece, while also adding another layer of safety during routing operations. And with a full 2 inches of clearance above the table surface, there's plenty of room for larger profile bits and taller workpieces. The Nautilus Dust Collection Guard excels in the exact situations where traditional router fences fall short. Inside curves, outside curves, template routing, pattern routing, and profile edge work. By keeping the vacuum source directly over the cutter, the Nautilus system dramatically improves dust collection performance while helping maintain a cleaner, safer workspace. No more piles of chips covering your table. No more clouds of airborne dust floating through your shop. No more getting your hands close to the spinning router bit. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, the Nautilus Guard is built for everyday shop use and long-lasting durability. The generous 2.5-inch outer diameter with 2.25-inch inner diameter dust port fits standard shop vacuum hoses with ease, delivering excellent airflow and efficient dust capture. If you're serious about cleaner routing, safer operation, and better visibility during curve and template work, the Infinity Tools Nautilus Dust Collection Guard is an essential upgrade for your router table setup. Discover the power of nature-inspired design and take control of dust collection at the source. Available now at infinitytools.com.